Alright, we have a linear trig equation. Solve 3 tan theta minus radical 3 equals 0 over the interval between 0 and 360. Our goal is to get the variable theta by itself. What do you guys want to do first? Okay, so remember, pretend this is like the problem 3x minus radical 3. Right? Pretend we're doing that. Would you divide by 3 or add? So let's add. Class, what am I left with? 3 tan theta equals radical 3. What are we going to do next? We're going to divide by 3. Tan theta equals radical 3 over 3. Remember, when it says solve, we're trying to get this variable by itself. Do we divide by tangent on both sides? No, we can do the inverse. Alright, tell me what's right. Tan inverse. Put that in red because that's what our arrows show. We're taking the inverse. We're switching our x and y values of what? Radical 3 over 3 equals theta. Tangent is what? Positive. Remember, think about this. You need to take the inverse of sides to find an angle. So let's find that angle measured in degrees. Tangent is positive. Which two quadrants should I be looking at? Okay, 1 and 3. All students take calculus. Okay, now pay attention. Tangent is which two sides? Tangent is written in a couple of ways. Y over x, or quotient identity, sine over cosine. Okay. There is no 3 on the unit circle. Well, let's think about a step before that. A step before this, let's say before you rationalize it, you can also just rationalize, multiply it by radical 3 over 3. Class, what do you get here? 9. Radical 9 over 3 radical 3. Radical 9 is? So you get 3 over, and you cancel the 3's, you get 1 over radical 3. So I'm going to look for where the y values are 1 and my x values is radical 3. So this is a review of using your unit circle. So basically I want the order pair to be radical 3 comma 1 in the numerators. Does that make sense? So I see 1 radical 3, that would be wrong because I'm looking for y over x. Does that one work?
No.
How about this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Sine over cosine, y over x. 1 over radical 3. In degrees, looking for degrees. In degrees, that would be what? 30 degrees. Now, oh, I got a blue. Does that work? Negative divided by negative is a positive. 1 over radical 3. So this would be what? 210 degrees. Now, I just wanted to point out, remember we were graphing, when we were graphing tangent? What's the period for tangent?
0 pi.
2 pi over b or just pi? Look! It's a straight line. It's 180 degrees. It's just pi before it starts another rotation. Okay, so let's write down our answers. theta equals, you guys said what? 30 degrees and 210 degrees. These are the two locations where tangent is radical 3 over 3, which really is 1 over radical 3.